So it is currently 8:17 right now. I got the videos uploaded today, both of them on each channel. Made a couple renditions of the thumbnail that I showed in the last video. So the thumbnail is different. Don't know how I feel about that one. I don't know. I get impatient sometimes when I upload videos, especially that one. It took like 2 hours to get a view, which is very awkward, saying most of my videos at least get like 5 views within the first 2 hours. So that was unexpected. So I panicked a bit, designed a new thumbnail. It's taken off now, so it's on par with my other videos now. But it is 8:18 right now, and I'm about to set up for the announcement video for this channel. So let's get set up and show you guys what the plan is. So this is what we have for a setup. We've got 2 studio lights, the tripod with the pop filter attached to it. I have a third mic stand here that I set my microphone on. I don't have a mic stand, so that one works for the time being. And then I have a ladders here with my teleprompter on it. So this one has a script. So if I get in here, so this is my view when I record. Got the studio lights, the tripod, and yeah, so it's pretty tight in here. It's kind of a trap to get in and out, but overall it works pretty well. So let's get recording. Hey guys. So I just need to put the microphone on the stand, hit record, and we are good to go. So it is currently 8:46 p.m. and I'm gonna start filming. That is a wrap. It is currently 10:35 right now, and I'm ready for bed. Not editing this tonight. This will be up Sunday most likely. So until tomorrow, I have other videos I want to record. Leoncla should be here tomorrow, fingers crossed. So until tomorrow, good night. It is the next day, and I just got some new Plastic Gen collectibles, so stay tuned. More Plastic Gen content coming your way. It is currently 1:18, and I am going to re-record the video that you guys watched me make last night. There are a few points that I wanted to say that I didn't hit on, so I'm going to have to re-record that, and then work on a Vapor Tail video, so that will be what I'm about to do now. My brother is coming over to pick up his new iPhone. He got the Pro Max 15. So I'm going to check that out, see if I want to upgrade because, you know, filming in log video on an iPhone, kind of tempting. So going to go re-record that video. So there we go. He is here. He just got here. And this is the engineer behind my custom-made website. Say hi, Chris. Hi. So, not going to spoil this too much, but I do have a Pokédex of Beyblades on there. So that will be out probably next month. And he got the new iPhone 15 in titanium. Tempting. But we're going to talk for a bit. He's going to show me a bit about the website, and then I'm going to get back to recording. It is currently 6:45, and I'm just now getting started recording. So trying to do this in at least 1, maybe 3 takes. I've got it down pretty good now. So let's get recording, edit this. I got to record 1 more video tonight, and then we'll be good. So I just finished recording the advertisement for this channel to go on my main channel, I believe Sunday. So now I've got to take down this entire set and reorganize to get my Vapor Tail video done. This video will be live in 10 minutes. Say hi, Heather. Hey. This is my other sibling, Heather. So some other things came up. So it is now 10 minutes before this video is going up. I might talk about what happened over this weekend, but chances are maybe not. But this video is live. Land Club video is out this week, so stay tuned. Some other big ideas coming, but that's it for this behind the scenes video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.